Meaning of ecumenism.
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 Ecumenism. Ecumenism refers to the movement that aims to promote unity and cooperation among different Christian denominations. Its goal is to work towards a shared understanding of the faith and to create opportunities for joint worship and cooperation on social and political issues. The result of ecumenism can be seen in various forms, including interfaith dialogues, shared worship services, and joint charitable efforts. Ultimately, ecumenism seeks to foster greater mutual respect and understanding among Christians from different traditions, while recognizing and celebrating the diversity within the broader Christian community.